Okay, today we're going to talk about ways that we use multiplication and division and how important they are. We're going to talk about this city and how things are planned and maintained and built, and some considerations that need to take place, and a lot of calculations that need to be done with multiplication division. So as we talk, be thinking about ways that you use multiplication division as we plan a city or as we maintain a city, because you're going to be writing down 8 of those things today in full sentences describing your ideas. So let's give you some examples, okay, of how we might plan ahead and figure. Let's say you're planning for the city and a contractor comes to you and they want to build 30 new homes. One of the considerations or concerns that you may have is, can you supply the water needed for those homes? Can you supply the electricity needed for those homes? So how would you figure that? And obviously you'd have to use some math, and the basic math that we would start with would be multiplication division. Alright, so now you need to do some math to figure out if you can have those homes built in price, if you can supply the water, the electricity, and all the other utilities needed to do that. So you need to take your information and you need to gather information. Well, the first thing you need to look at is how many homes are there currently in price. How are you going to divide up what's needed? Okay. If we look at the water usage per year, we're looking at about 63 million gallons a year is used in the city of Price. If we look at power usage, we look at about 2,400 megawatts of power are used. So how would you take that information and figure out how much each home uses per year, and then be able to figure out those 30 additional homes, what type of demand are they going to put on the power? This is all division multiplication. Some of the division and multiplication becomes a little complicated, but again, it's rooted in basic division and multiplication. So that's why we're talking about division and multiplication this week. So your assignment today is to take a look at Price City. Look at the objects that are in front of the camera. There's homes, there's roads, there's sewer, and we talked about power. There's cars, there's grocery stores. There are a lot of different things that demand that somebody figures out what the usage is and plans for that usage. So today's assignment is to put down on a piece of paper 8 different things that you think we would need to figure using multiplication division for usage.
So here are some ideas that might help you come up with the 8 things that you need. Road building. How would you figure how much asphalt you need when constructing a road? Road replacement. Figuring out how fast roads will wear out and how fast they'll wear out because of traffic and weather conditions. Buildings. Maintaining buildings. They have to be cleaned. How many square feet of carpet are there? How long will carpet last? How much copper will cost to replace? All aspects of buildings. Landscaping. How much to maintain? How many square feet of fertilizer will you need? If you're putting in new landscaping, how much seed will you need? Or how much sod will you need? Again, these are but a few examples. So write down 8 examples of things that you would need to figure out to maintain a city. We're using division and multiplication.